Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install Java on your Windows 10 computer. So this should be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up any web browser, and you want to navigate over to the link I'm going to have in the description of the video. So you want to make sure you select the correct one that corresponds to your version of either Macintosh or Windows. So for the Windows one, even though the second and third downloads will correspond to 32 and 64-bit respectively versions of Java, it's based on what your web browser is set at. So some people could be having a 32-bit browser on a 64-bit computer. So I'd recommend downloading the Windows Online one, which is the first option right there. And then once it's done downloading, you want to select the download. It's going to ask you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Left click on yes. It's going to say welcome to Java. Java provides access to a world of amazing content. So it says click install to accept the license agreement and install Java now. So just left click on install, and this will take a couple moments, so just be patient. Okay, so it says you have successfully installed Java. You can click on close here. I would recommend restarting your computer, and that should be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.